Hey, good day everyone. So today is Thursday, October 17, 2019. So around 6:03 p.m. Again, it's an evening commute. As you know, I just do another video after work.
Getting hit by cars, like I accept it.
So the reason I do this video is that a couple weeks ago, I did a video about the 14th Street Busway. So I want to come back and see if anything changed after 3 weeks. So I'm between 14th Street and 8th Avenue, and as usual, no cost. As expected, no cost, except for that one. So what we find out is that there's a lot of the experiment is actually going pretty well. Buses has been running pretty fast, and I see that how people are claiming the road back. Look at the cyclist and the guy with that what do we call that? The thing with the single wheel. Pretty nice. So the cops are patrolling, make sure everyone follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules and make a turn after a block, making deliveries and drop-offs, you get a ticket. Yeah, please don't mind the trash. It's been pretty windy. Now you get two buses running back to back because the traffic is so clear. Look at that. The second bus is like practically empty. So I'll link an article on New York Times about how this experiment goes and how it really didn't affect some of the detract in the ways that some of these detractors would think. Like some of these people who are against this says that, oh my God, you're gonna drive to traffic to other streets and other streets will be so congested. That did not happen. And oh my God, this is going to be so inconvenient for everyone else. That also didn't happen. And in city planning, they have this concept called induced effect, induced demand. So what happens is that when you create something, or if you expand the capacity of something, then someone else from somewhere else will come in and take up that space. So it's very counterintuitive in the sense that if you expand the road, you actually don't solve the congestion problems. And I think part of it is because, if I as a driver know that this road is going to be expanded to accommodate my car, I'll go there. But so that's why it will just take up that space. But on the other hand, if I knew that this area is not, I can't possibly get in the area, then I'll avoid coming here. That's one option. I'll probably think about walking here instead, which is what I'm doing. How many buses passed us? It's crazy. So 7th Avenue traffic looks pretty normal to me. No gridlocks. I think it's good for the city. Is pretty good, and it's great. Waiting for the light to pass like a good citizen. Another M14. Okay, that looks pretty filled. Looking at this street, kind of miss the traffic now. Don't we? Here's a taxi making a U-turn. But overall, the whole street becomes a lot more quiet on this end. Now I'm just wondering how this parking is gonna work. So can we come in here to park, or can we just to park and can't cross, or how does it work? But if I look at that sign, all right, so it looks like it's for commercial only. No night parking. Yeah, someone. I don't understand. It probably means that you could park here at night in a certain time frame, but come on, I have no intention to park here. I don't want to risk getting a ticket. It's another M14. And even if you look up the street, the avenue, there's no gridlock on the other streets as some people claim. So, one thing I didn't mention in my previous video is that the purpose of setting up this bus lane is for the eventual closure of the L train. They need to do some repairs for the damage that happened during this storm Sandy, which is like many years ago. So supposedly some of the lines were soaked in water, and now there's some damage that they have to shut down the whole line to do the repairs. During this time, the people living in this neighborhood will have to rely on the bus to go on top of the 14th Street, because that the L line travel across the 14th Street. So that explains a lot, because I think banning cars for the whole stretch of 14th Street is pretty drastic, and that will explain it. I think we're at 6th Avenue.
I was pulling on everything all week.
More bikes, city bike, delivery bikes. I think it'd be nice to bike down the 14th Street now that there's no cars. I'm now between 5th Avenue and 14th Street. Get a view down this way. And another view up this way.
It's like stand up.
And again, everywhere we go looks pretty normal to me, except all the cars are missing. So I'm getting closer to Union Square now. So that should be it for the 14th Street Busway closure take 2. Tell me what you think, and you guys have a good day.